Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best airplane footrests you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many airplane footrests and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each airplane footrests so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying an airplane footrest. The first thing to look at is comfort and adjustability. A good footrest should support your legs and feet while allowing easy angle or height changes to match your seat position. Next, think about size and portability. It should be compact, lightweight, and easy to pack in your carry-on without taking up too much space. Also, pay attention to the material and durability. Choose a footrest made from strong, breathable fabric with sturdy straps or frames that can handle frequent travel. Finally, check for ease of cleaning, as hygiene is important during long trips. Considering these points will help you choose a footrest that makes your flights more comfortable and relaxing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips.